Okay, I had a question about how to insert the paths into the zoo. So I looked it up and I learned how to insert a path. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to select a line and I'm going to select polyline. And that is going to give me that little plus sign. And I'm going to say I want a path from the giraffes to the parks. So I'm going to click at each sort of path that I want them to maybe take along the way to the park. And it's going to make me a polygon, a shape. And you can see right there that now it's made it an L shape. But I kind of want you to still see what's behind it. I want you to still see the squares behind it. And so I'm going to go over to my fill bucket, and instead of, if I wanted everybody to see everything that was behind it, I could click transparent. But I'm going to instead pick custom, and I'm going to click that button, and it says, how much transparency do you want? And so if I bring this up and down, it's going to sort of vary the level of transparency. So I'm going to hit OK here, and you're going to see now it's made my path kind of transparent or see-through. And so that is how I can make a path that's not a straight line. It's like a polygon. And if I don't like the way that I don't like that it's not that straight, I can redo it and try to make it more straight, or I could have, I can kind of play around with it and see if I can change some of the lines to make it, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. I think I'm going to have to go back and redraw it if I want it to be more perfect. But I could, if I wanted to, take this path and I could move it over here and put a path this way from the park. I could have made a shape. I could stretch it out, and then that would give me a path, a bigger path to the snack if I wanted to do that. If I want to, let's see, rotate, I could just rotate it and flip it around, and then that'll make my path different ways. If I want to make a sort of one fit all kind of path. And so all I did was I drew a sort of, do it one more time for you. I went to line and I selected a polyline, and that is how I drew a path from one place to another. Let's say I want to keep going because I want to go right there. I want to sort of make a path along the way that I want them to follow. And so that is a path from the giraffe to the restaurant and then over to the park. And then I would go to fill color. And if I want it to be all my paths to be like that, and then I would go back to fill color and I would say custom, and I would turn down the transparency so that you can see the little squares underneath of it. And that is how you make a path.